In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So if you want to customize your contacts, you have to reach your phone the other at first, then select contact that you would like to personalize, that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on edit and tap on add photo. And now you can either pick one from the emojis, for example this one, and you can select the pose if you want to. Let me cancel. You can also choose one from those. Then you can pick some picture, or you can search for emoji. You can also grab a photo from your gallery, or put just the letter with some background. But I will choose something from my gallery, so let me pick Rita's picture, then customize it. You can crop it, click on choose, finally select the field that you would like to add, click on done, select done again, done to save it, and that's it. From now on, whenever Rita will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it. This is how you can personalize numbers, contacts in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.